Well, hello and welcome to Outdoors for Adventure. Quick little video. We are preparing for a camping trip to Horseshoe Bend on Dierks Lake. And on this trip, we're taking the pop-up with us. And I thought I'd do a quick little video on kind of what I go through to get prepared for our camp trips. Now, I'll be washing the Grand Cherokee off soon, and as you can see up on top, I've already got it loaded out. That's actually loaded out for a couple overlanding trips that we have planned, and this trip that we're fixing to do this weekend is just kind of a relaxing, get out of the house type camping trip to enjoy the pop-up camper and play some games and stuff like that. As I pop up that pop-up and I get it ready and make sure we have everything that we need. Okay, we are inside the camper, and I've wiped some stuff down. We always wipe things down before we go to our camp spot. And I'm not going to load our fridge out this time because I have a big ice coat in the back of the Grand Cherokee, so we won't need that. I will turn it on when we get to camp, and the stuff we want to get to while we're in campsite, we'll be able to get to it from there. In a pop-up, you know, you pop it up. If you're going to carry stuff in it, you load it before you go on your trip. So as you can see, I've got a porta potty. This big long thing here is our screen tent with enclosed windows if we want to. It's really long, a little bit heavy, but something that we must have when we go camping with our pop-up, so we can sit outside with out worrying about the bugs, because sometimes you just want to be out of the camper. And although this is a pop-up and you get plenty of view and plenty of screens, you still like to hang out outside. Underneath those cushions are storage bins, bedding, cooking grills, games, stuff like that is underneath there. Underneath the table that's right here are our folding chairs, pop-up cook stove or fire pit, and a couple other things. And this extra topper we have here will lay over this, and then that table that I had outside will fit on top of this, and then this bunk will slide over the top of it, and then that area there is fully packed. Of course, we have drawers here with silverware and stuff that we may need while we're camping. In the floor here, we have a stool for outside. We have a little stool here to help get up in the bunk. And then my container out there will fit right here. A Ryobi fan will fit in this floor. And I forgot what else I've got. A little table or something will fit in the floor here. I'll shut everything up, and this is fully packed, and the way it's loaded, it pulls fantastic. But that's how I load out to get ready to go camping. Now I want to show you some more pre-preparedness that I do on our trips. So another thing I do to prepare is I pull up my onX Offroad app, and we're staying at Horseshoe Bend on Dierks Lake, and I've already went to the website and reserved our spot, and we're going to be in site number 6, which is right there where that red waypoint is. Now, we have stayed in this campground before. I like this area, so that's one reason we're going back. But the last time we stayed in site 10. This is a really good site, but it's already booked. In fact, 7's booked. A lot of these are already booked. There was still a couple open when I reserved our spot. Like I said, this is on Dierks Lake. With the onX app, I can, scroll around, see the roads. In fact, these green roads here we mapped and put on the app. It's on the onX Offroad app, but you can see the different campgrounds that's along the lake. Some more trails up here, but we'll be hanging out right here in this area. because we're just going to hang out at camp and enjoy this little area right here. It's a really cool place, and we have stayed here before. As I said, this was our camp on site 10 the last time we were there, and over here to the, you see the creek right here, we had a good view of that and could hear it running. This time our campsite is all the way at the end of this, all the way back here. There's nobody on the other side of us until you get over in this area. But it's a really nice campground, and the price is also right. I think it was for 2 nights, $38. Can't beat that. And there's electric and water at these sites. But this is just some more what I do when I'm scoping out where we want to go. And this is our video. There's not a whole lot of videos on this campground, but there are a few more, and I have watched them. But anyway, I thought I would share, this. onX is a really good app to have, even for just planning trips like this, not so much as overlanding, but picking out sites. And I can click on my site number 6 up here, and on my cell phone, my app, and it will take me right to it. Anyway, I just thought I'd share a little bit of another use that you can get out of onX Offroad. And I'll go check our video out on our channel. This one is called, it does tow better than the Cherokee. So the video on this is Hidden Secrets of Dierks Lake Horseshoe Bend Recreation Area. Our first camping trip there with the pop-up, so go check that out. And stay tuned for our adventure. Staying in Site 6 coming up soon.